When I talk about Dad's story and explain about the barriers and issues that we experienced, so many people within the deaf community say that they've had the same experiences, and I've heard such horror stories out there. A lot of the time I'll respond and say, well, did you submit a complaint? And they'll say no. When I ask why, it's because complaints procedures aren't accessible for deaf people. They're not accessible because when you say you want to make a complaint, they give you a piece of paper. And if a deaf person's first language isn't English, then it's really hard to follow that information and make that complaint. I recently found out that because of the AIS, deaf people have a right to submit a complaint in signed language. They can talk about their story in sign language and send it into the hospital, and the hospital must respond in BSL. Maybe now in the future, deaf people will start to make complaints, and really this is something that's needed because the deaf community know about the issues we've had, and we talk about those problems amongst ourselves, but that information stays within our community, and the people who need to know don't know, so we need to tell them. It's our responsibility to make sure that healthcare meets the needs of deaf patients in the future.